breaks with a deafening roar. Ground splits, leaving us asking for more. Waves crash on the city shore. Nature's voice wants to settle scores. Fire spreads, lighting up the night sky. Smoke rises like a battle cry. Winds howl as the trees bow low. Man's folly reaps what we sow. Destruction comes from nature's hand. Man-made chaos we can't withstand. Disasters strike without a plan. Earth reminds us who's in command. Dams breaking with the monstrous force. Toxic spills take a ruthless course. Storms rolling in like a wild horse. Pollution cuts life's fragile source. We build towers to touch the stars, but hurricanes leave them with scars. Gamble with nature, it never errs. We're just players in its epic wars. Landslides bury secrets deep. Volcanoes wake from ancient sleep. In our pride we think we're steep, but nature laughs at promises we keep. Disasters strike without a plan. Earth reminds us who's in command. Dams breaking with a monstrous force. Toxic spills take a ruthless course. Storms rolling in like a wild horse. Pollution cuts life's fragile source. We build towers to touch the stars, but hurricanes leave them with scars. Gamble with nature, it never errs. We're just players in its epic wars. Wait, my band? Or wars?